Hey Canva creatives, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful, professional-looking e-commerce website, completely free, using Canva. No domain needed, no hosting fees, no premium themes, just Canva. Whether you're launching your first product or creating a quick landing page for an affiliate item, this tutorial is going to save you time and money. All right, let's dive in. Once you're in Canva, go to the website section. You can start from scratch with a blank canvas, or, and this is what I recommend, search for a ready-made template. It's quicker and gives you a great head start with design. Canva has templates for every niche you can think of, so you'll definitely find one that suits your product. For this demo, I'm building a simple site to promote a pair of wireless Realme earbuds from AliExpress through an affiliate link. I picked a clean and stylish design that fits perfectly. I'm going to add all the available pages from the template so we can build out a full landing page. Once everything's in place, let's preview it on desktop and mobile. Looks great. Smooth animations, well-organized sections. Canva really makes it easy to build something that looks professional. Now let's make some quick edits so you can see how easy this is. I'm naming the store Skills Forge Shop. Next, I'm swapping out the default product image with my Realme earbuds. I grabbed the best photo from AliExpress, dropped it into the design, and used Canva's background remover to clean it up. To give it a bit of flair, I added a simple blur animation so it pops nicely on the screen. Now, I'll update the product name to Wireless Earphones, Realme Buds T110. And for the Buy Now button, I added a clickable affiliate link that takes visitors directly to the product page on AliExpress. That's it. Quick and clean. This setup is perfect for affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even selling your own products. It's simple, fast, and completely free. Of course, you can go further and add more information about the product. Things like features, benefits, reviews, or FAQs. In the footer, be sure to include links to your social media or contact details. You can even customize each section with different background colors to match your brand. Once you're happy with everything, preview the website again on both desktop and mobile. Now it's time to publish. Click Publish Website, and make sure you check the option to resize on mobile. That keeps your site responsive. In the URL field, give your website a name. It will end with my.canva.site, which works perfectly for a landing page. Then go into the Publish settings. Here you can upload a favicon, write a short description for SEO, and adjust privacy settings like adding a password or hiding your site from search engines. When you're done, hit Publish Website. Just like that, your website is live and ready to promote. Let's open it up in Chrome to see how it looks. The page loads quickly, everything is displayed perfectly, and the HTTPS is active, which is great for building trust with your visitors. But here's something even better. Canva now offers built-in analytics for your website. Just click on the Analytics tab, and you'll be able to see how your site is performing: total visits, device types, countries, traffic sources, and more. That's super valuable if you plan to scale or promote your product seriously. So there you have it, a fully functional, beautifully designed e-commerce landing page built in Canva for free. It's perfect for anyone who wants to launch a product page without dealing with hosting, domains, or expensive tools. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Canva tutorials you'd like to see next. In the upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into each part of the Canva website builder. So let me know what you'd like us to explain in more detail. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!